Hey everyone, Micah here with Electrek, and today we're reviewing the DYU R1 electric bike. Let's check it out. The DYU R1 is very much an urban bike. It's for getting around in the city, not for long leisurely weekend cruises. But as a folding e-bike, that's pretty standard. These things are designed as convenient little urban runabouts. Now it's not a typical folding e-bike, as in the frame doesn't fold in the middle. Instead, the handlebars fold down just to make it shorter. This way you can fit it in the backseat of a car or under a desk at work. The seat post also comes out, which removes the battery with it, since the battery is actually built into the seat post. There's a neat little lock that allows you to leave your seat on the bike while it's parked outside and not have to worry about someone jacking your battery. The design is neat, but it also means the battery capacity is limited, since there's just not that much space in the seat tube for a battery. The pack is rated at 36 volts and just 5 amp hours, meaning about 180 watt hours. That translates to around 25 kilometers or 15 miles of range in real-world riding. Not huge, but probably enough for local urban errand running. 25 kilometers is also the top speed, as in 25 kilometers per hour or 15 miles an hour. Again, this is an urban bike. It's meant for sticking to the bike lane, not racing cars in the street. So don't expect crazy performance from the DYU R1, it's not going to give it to you. But what it will give you is good performance within its envelope. A built-in torque sensor provides really comfortable pedal assist, as in it comes on and applies power nearly the instant you apply pressure to the pedals. For a $999 e-bike, I was pretty surprised to see a torque sensor-based pedal assist, and I was even more surprised at how well it worked. It's just a very comfortable pedaler. I'm also glad to see other features included at this price too. They're included fenders, which is great for those of us that have to deal with rain or puddles along our commute. In the real world, outside of sunny Southern California, rain is a thing. There's also a rear rack, though I would have preferred if it had open rails to make it easier to hook bungee straps to. One feature I also really liked were the lights. In the rear, the tail lights and the brake lights are built right into the dropouts, so they're frame integrated. It's a pretty snazzy look, and it invokes design styling we normally see on much more expensive e-bikes, like the Serial 1 electric bikes from Harley-Davidson. The front gets a more basic headlight than those cool taillights, but at least lights are included at all. Many sub-$1,000 e-bikes cheap out and don't give you any lights. All in all, I'd say that the DYU R1 is a fairly low-performance e-bike, but that it offers good bang for your buck in its class. If you're looking for a fast or powerful electric bike, look elsewhere. You just can't expect a 250 watt e-bike to do that for you. But if you want a slick little urban e-bike, the DYU R1 delivers. It's a small and fairly lightweight package at just 20 kilos or 45 pounds, yet it offers good build quality and a pretty high load capacity too, at up to 150 kilos or 330 pounds. So it's well made, it looks good, and it's priced affordably. I still ding it for low power and low battery capacity that limits the range, but I appreciate all the other things that it brings to the table. Thanks for watching everyone. We hope you enjoyed that review of the DYU R1 e-bike. If you did, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future electric vehicle videos. We'll see you here next time.